Launch CRP123 is a full-featured, powerful automotive scan tool equipped with an intuitive interface, 3.5-inch color display, smart buttons designed for easy navigation. It is designed for technicians to troubleshoot fault systems for most of the vehicles on the road today, including cars, light trucks, minivans, and SUVs manufactured after 1996. With CRP123, you are free to read, record, graph, play back live data streams which can be viewed in values and waveforms. The CRP123 also supports graphing 4 PIDs at one time, showing graphically the interaction of various systems elements. The Launch CRP123 does not only support complete 10 modes of OBD-II, but also you can use it to check engine, ABS, airbag systems, transmission. You can also record PIDs for later use to help you diagnose intermittent driving performance problems which cannot be determined by any other methods. You can also print the data or diagnostic report after connecting with PC. Go to Launch official website. You can update the software via internet, which supports lifetime free update. The Launch CRP123 is definitely the perfect choice for car maintenance and repair.